This is David from All in Vegas 777, here to show you the best of Vegas. Today's video features a nighttime view of the Las Vegas Strip from the sky. Check out the links in the description for discounted helicopter tours just like the one you're about to see. Enjoy the video! Which helicopter tour did you like better, the daytime views or the nighttime views? Leave comments below and let me know. Like and subscribe and check out our next video of the Grand Canyon. The views are incredible.